An air purifier can make your life way easier. But how do you make the most out of the appliance? We at Reliance Digital have some tips and tricks for you. Use a higher fan speed when pollution levels are high and lower when they are lower. This can save energy. If you suffer from allergies, consider running your air purifier on its highest setting during peak pollen seasons. Regularly clean or replace filters as recommended by the manufacturer. This is crucial for optimal performance. Keep the purifier running continuously, especially in the areas with high pollution levels or if you have allergies. Seal any gaps around windows, doors, and vents to minimize the entry of outdoor pollutants. Ensure there are no obstructions in front of or around the purifier to allow proper airflow. Use the app of the air purifier to control and change settings seamlessly and set schedules. A dust-free life is an air purifier away. Find the widest range of air purifiers only at your nearest Reliance Digital store.